everybody, and we are still in Italy, and today we are stopping by at a team that I had to visit because lots of you have probably seen the video of that little black, what they call a piccolini tractor here.
Guardala lì!
Il sangue non mente mica per niente, porca boia!
Basically a small agricultural tractor with a car engine, with a diesel. Still looks like an original little tractor, but they've souped them up to like 300-400 horsepower. And at the second last event there was a little one that went all over the track, and at the last event he actually was next to the track. And when I'm saying she, we're gonna meet Elisa now, and she's showing us a little bit of their workshop. As you can see in the background, they have a big truck repair shop, mostly Ivecos here down in Italy, big V8s. We will see their truck also. They've got the cabin flipped open so we can have a look at the technology. So come follow me. Yes, we are in Italy, Ivecos. And if we sneak around the corner here, super clean shop. As you can see, they like their horsepower. Okay, here we have the two girls. What's your names?
I'm Elisa, I'm Angelica.
So Elisa and Angelica. And Elisa is driving this little thing. So she doesn't want to be in the camera. And she's already very afraid that she has to speak English. We're going to make it easy for her. When we show the tractor, you come behind me. They like this. So actually what this is, it's a little tractor for the little farmers here from the 60s and 70s. Actually it's a Fiat, isn't it?
Yes.
It's a Fiat. And everything here is pretty stock. You can see with a telescope, or however they're called, rear end, stock transmission. But from here on, it's different. So what they put in here is Iveco 4-cylinder diesel that was or is used in big vans, dualies, still with a rotary pump. But the turbo isn't quite stock. I would think it's a KKK 25, 27, something like that. So probably close to 300 horsepower. You've built this tractor this winter.
Yeah.
So it's new. And you drove how many times? 3, 4?
4.
4 times. And 2 times off.
Yeah.
Yeah. So actually what they're trying to do here is to give the young girls something to have fun with. Your father said for next year you make changes to this?
I hope, but we see from the next events.
Okay.
We decide the next time.
Yeah. If you can go faster or not.
I hope.
All right. So that's the little one here. Okay, here we have him with his pride and joy. What's your name?
Yeah.
Franco Giovanni. Okay, and for how long has he been pulling?
Da quanto tempo fai il fatto?
Ma seriamente sono 4-5 anni.
Focus. So like 4 or 5 years.
Yes.
Okay. When with this truck, or did he have something before?
Sei sempre avuto questo cambio, ma prima nel
Ho sempre avuto questo.
Only with this one. Okay. Why does he like it?
Perché ti piace fare calcio?
Sono appassionato di motori, già da piccolo giocavo con i motori, con le moto, e mi piace.
So he likes engines since he was a little boy.
Yes, when he was a child, he played with engine.
Yeah.
And for him, it's a passion.
Good. Great. So Does he want to tell me something about this truck?
Vuoi dirmi qualcosa riguardante, diciamo,
È un camion che ho costruito da solo, sono partito da zero. Vai.
we have created the truck and he started from zero.
Mm-hmm.
Poi un po' per volta è cresciuto fino ad arrivare al giorno dopo. Adesso
And he's grew up and today is
It is what it is. Yeah, okay, so yeah. I can see it's a 17-liter Iveco V8.
and Iveco.
190-48
Sì. So for our Americans, that's 1050 cubic inch. So a huge engine. 4 turbina, 4 turbochargers.
Ha 4 turbine, in America sono più grandi di quello. Ma
Sì.
questo qua hanno 4 turbine.
So, and the fuel pump is a Bosch I've seen.
di diametro 16 pompante.
So 16? Wow, so a big 16 millimeter Bosch pump. So there's stuff happening in this one. Then he has a big intercooler in the back. I've seen that. And the turbochargers are, how is it? 82?
H82.
Yeah, 82. So the biggest hoses feeding into some, I think, HX60. So 4 turbochargers, 2 stages. This thing moves. What does he think? How much horsepower it has? We're having fun here.
Non lo so, non ho mai avuto occasione di provare che potenza possa avere. Immagino 1500.
Ah. So he thinks 1500.
1500 cavalli.
It could be more, I think, but yeah. Good. They're having fun.
Dai, non ridere.
Not very used to be on the camera. I will take some more pictures around here, and I think that's enough for 2 tractors. We can have a look inside. Yeah. Oh. So if ever anybody has wondered how it looks inside of an Italian race truck, so where they used to have bunk beds, it's now belts, and the nice thing is they can always run with passengers. So, and this is how a European truck looked in the early 80s from the inside. Okay, thank you. Ciao.
E arriverà, ruota il cielo come piace a Melio.